If you're wondering how you can open up a Monday board and only see the tasks that are assigned to you, I'm going to show you how to use the Dynamic Me feature and save it for future use. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Tara. I'm the founder of a company called Simple Day. We're Monday.com Platinum Partners. Over the last number of years, we've helped hundreds of companies use Monday.com. If you need any assistance, either with training, getting started with Monday, custom implementations, or integrations to other tools, feel free to get in touch. My contact information is in the description below, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you. I hear this complaint all the time from new users to Monday. Basically, they open up a board and they see everyone's tasks, and they don't want to see everyone's tasks. They just want to see their tasks. So now I'm going to introduce you to a feature called Dynamic Me. So let's jump in. The first way to see all the tasks that you're assigned to is to simply use this filter. I click on person, I choose my avatar, and I will only see the tasks that I am assigned to. Now, in this board, I'm assigned to most of the tasks, so that's why you didn't see anything actually change here when I set up this filter. But essentially what this is doing is it's a very straightforward filter that just says anything assigned to Tara. Now, if I would save this and we would open it again tomorrow, or someone else on my team would open it, it wouldn't really help them because it would just see my tasks. But what we want to do is see the person's tasks who's actually using Monday. In order to do that, you need to use something called Dynamic Me. If I click on the advanced filter over here, you can see that I need to choose the person column. So in this case, I'm going to choose the Batman. And then I have the option of Me Dynamic or Dynamic Me. Once I click on it, it's going to show me the items that are assigned to me within that task where I'm the person. But if someone, let's say Rosa, signs into this board, it's going to show her tasks. And if Danny signs into this board, it's going to show him his tasks. So using this Dynamic Me is a great filter so that way everyone can see their tasks. Now, again, this is something that you would want to save. You wouldn't want to do it every single time. So I'm going to show you how you can save this to a view. Once you've set your filters, and you may want to do more than one. You may want to hide certain columns. You may want to do different filters. Here you can see I only have this one filter. I simply click Save as New View. And what's going to happen is here it opens a table and I can rename it. So here I can say My View. So here I can open it and I can see my view. And here you can see it's everything that I'm assigned as the Batman. Now, let's go back and look at the main table. Here you can see all of the tasks are here. When I go back to my view, you can see that I'm only going to see the items that I'm assigned to. Now, I think this is a great way to get people to focus on the things that they need to see because they should only be looking at their tasks. So I definitely recommend setting up a view like this. I would actually take it a step forward and further, and I usually do something called My Daily View. And essentially what this is it has a few more filters. So it does usually have the Me Dynamic, which you'll see here. Here you can see, here I did it as Robin, but it also is only showing me my open tasks, everything that's overdue or due today, and only the group. I have this duplicate, so I'm just going to delete this. But essentially what this is doing is not only is this showing me only my tasks, but it's also showing me all of my tasks that are either overdue or due today. It's just helping me focus on what tasks I need to do today, which essentially is really important because sometimes things get lost when you have really big boards or a lot of different boards. You don't know what you need to do today. So I definitely recommend trying out a view like My Daily View to help people focus on the tasks that they need to do. I'd love to hear if you set up this view and how it's helping you and your team use Monday. And I'll see you in the next video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon.